Hello friends, welcome back. This is Priya and today I'll be showing you another interesting and yummy recipe. Any guess? Yes, you're right. It's Medu Vada or the Uddina Vada. The Indian donut, crispy outside, soft and fluffy inside. If you like the video, please do share, subscribe and like our channel. This is a very simple dish with minimum ingredients and easy to make. To make Medu Vada, we'll need whole urad dal, green chillies, ginger, black pepper, salt to taste and oil to deep fry. Here I have taken 1 cup of urad dal. First wash the dal thoroughly and then soak the dal for about 4 to 5 hours. It is very important to soak them for at least 4 hours, otherwise the Medu Vada will turn out to be hard inside. Next step is the most important part of the recipe. Grind the urad dal by adding only about 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. The consistency should be thick. Please do not add more water as you will not be able to make the vadas if the batter is too liquid. Add chopped green chilies, ginger, pepper and salt as per taste and mix well. Mix the paste for about 5 minutes to make it airy, and this will make the vadas more fluffy and light. Heat oil in a kadai or frying pan to deep fry the vadas. The oil should be medium hot. The batter will be sticky, so apply some water to your hand and take small quantity of vada batter. While putting it inside the kadai, make a hole in between using your thumb finger and slowly drop it in the oil as I have shown here. Fry them on medium heat until golden brown. If the oil is too hot, it will get burnt outside and inside it will not get cooked. Flip the vada often to make sure it is evenly cooked on both the sides. It will take around 4 to 5 minutes. The crispy Medu Vadas are now ready. You can serve it with any kind of chutney or sambar or can be enjoyed as it is. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. See you next time.